In the last video, we already discussed bakelite polymer, melamine polymer and styrene butadiene rubber. Now in this video, we will discuss rubber. There are three types: natural rubber, vulcanized rubber and synthetic rubber. Further, in synthetic rubber, we will discuss neoprene and Buna N. First one, natural rubber. Rubber is natural polymer. It possesses elastic property. It is obtained from latex. Here latex is colloidal solution of rubber particle in water. Colloidal solution of rubber particle that suspending into water. Colloidal particle of rubber that suspending into water. Here latex is obtained from bark of the rubber tree. Natural rubber is a linear polymer of isoprene. Natural rubber is also known as a cis polyisoprene. Here we have to remember this point for MCQ. Natural rubber is a linear polymer of isoprene and it is prepared by using monomer, that is 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Van der Waals force is possessed by natural rubber. This point that also we have to remember for MCQ. Natural rubber that possesses coil-like structure and it is also stretched like a spring. Structure of natural rubber is obtained by using 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene monomer. In 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene monomer, initially double bond is present between carbon 1, carbon 2 and carbon 3 and carbon 4. When that 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene undergoes polymerization reaction, then it forms natural rubber. While it forms natural rubber, then simple remember one thing, that all the double bond is converting into single bond while single bond is converting into double bond and all the monomers are joined with CH2 group. In first monomer, first we have to write carbon 2 and carbon 3 with double bond and arrange the remaining molecule around carbon 2 and carbon 3. So we get first monomer. Now for second monomer, give 180-degree rotation to first monomer, so we get second monomer, and both first monomer and second monomer in which the bond is formed between two CH2 group. Second, vulcanized rubber. First thing, that why we have to prepare vulcanized rubber, because natural rubber that become soft and brittle and it is easily affected by temperature, so that we require another rubber which is more powerful than natural rubber. That's why we prepare vulcanized rubber. Here natural rubber is soft at greater than 335 Kelvin temperature, while it is brittle at less than 283 Kelvin temperature. This point that we have to remember for MCQ, which is already asked in board exam. Natural rubber that possesses high water absorption capacity and it is easily soluble in non-polar solvent. When natural rubber is mixed with sulfur and it is heated at 373 to 415 Kelvin temperature, then the rubber is obtained is called vulcanized rubber, and this reaction is called vulcanization of rubber. Simply remember, natural rubber mixed with sulfur and it is heated, then it forms vulcanized rubber, and this reaction is called vulcanization of rubber. To make this reaction, we are adding zinc oxide as a additives which is work as a catalyst. Here this point is also asked in Gujcat exam, that which additives is used in preparation of vulcanized rubber, then answer is zinc oxide. Here sulfur is formed cross-link with the monomer, that is 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. Sulfur form cross-link with Double bonded carbon means carbon 2 and carbon 3, and also it form cross link with reactive site means it form bond with CH2 group. Here 5% sulfur is used in a preparation of tires, while 30% of a sulfur that is used in battery cases. This point is also asked in a board exam, so that we have to remember this point for MCQ. For the structure of vulcanized rubber, we have to remember 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene monomer. In this case, all the double bond that are present in 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene is converting into single bond, and sulfur is bind with carbon 2 and carbon 3. For second structure of vulcanized rubber, once again take 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene monomer, in which all the double bond is converting into single bond, while the single bond is converting into double bond, means a double bond is formed between second and third carbon. Now the reactive side, that means CH of both monomer, that joined by sulfur with elimination of H2 molecule, means we have to remove hydrogen from CH2 group of a both monomer, and that both monomer is joined by sulfur. Third type, synthetic rubber. Neoprene. When chloroprene means 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene monomer undergoes polymerization reaction, then neoprene is obtained. Properties. Synthetic rubber is superior resistance to vegetable and mineral oils. Uses. It is used in manufacturing of conveyor belts, printing roller and gaskets. This topic is very important for theory as well as for MCQ. Now we will discuss MCQ one by one. The first MCQ, that state the monomer which is used in a preparation of neoprene. Then answer is chloroprene. We have to remember the structure of chloroprene also. Second question, state the IUPAC name of a chloroprene. Then answer is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. Next question, state the repeating unit of neoprene. So we have to write the product that formation during the polymerization reaction of chloroprene. Next question, which polymer is used in a printing roller? Then answer is neoprene. We have to remember few points for MCQ. First one, that is printing roller. Second one, that is it's a monomer. It is also known as a watt, and a repeating unit. Next synthetic polymer is Buna-N. Buna-N means nitrile butadiene rubber. Here two monomers, that 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile, undergoes polymerization reaction, then it forms nitrile butadiene rubber. Properties. This polymer that possesses resistance towards petrol and lubricating oil, also resist towards organic solvent. This polymer is used to prepare oil seal and tank lining. This topic is also important for theory as well as MCQ. First MCQ, state the monomer that is used in the preparation of Buna-N. Then answer is 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile. Second question, acrylonitrile is also known as a what? Then answer is vinyl cyanide. Third question, which polymer is a superior resistance towards lubricating oil or action of a petrol? Then answer is nitrile butadiene rubber. Today's homework. First question, write a note on a natural rubber. Second question, explain vulcanization of rubber. Third question, write a note on a polymer used in printing roller. Fourth question, state preparation properties and uses of Buna-N. Thank you all.